Good morning. I'm here at the Button Rock Preserve parking area and trailhead, and this is located just outside Lyons, Colorado. And as you can see, I'm the only one here. And why? Because it's freaking cold. It's like 2 degrees. And today, I'm going for the Ralph Price Reservoir. This is the planned sea hike because everything else I've tried today has been a no-go. So I'm here, and I'm gonna hike out to the Ralph Price Reservoir. Official start time, 8:40 in the morning. And this is what I was hoping for. This is all smashed down. I'm not having to walk through deep snow. All right. This looks crazy right here. Look at that. It's all frozen. And that's a pretty accurate representation of what my face feels like. It's cold out here. See if we can get a better look at it without going over the edge. Take it down here by this little wheel thing. Okay. Holy shish kebab. This isn't really working out as I'd hoped. Still pretty cool though. Oh. And then right here alongside the road is one of the St. Vrain creeks. Not really sure which one, but it's one of the 7,968 features that's named after St. Vrain, who must have just been a fine, upstanding gentleman to have all those things named after him. Passing by the Sleepy Lion Trail split, and although that does look pretty tasty right now, I've done that trail a lot lately, so I'm just going to stay on the road. Not to mention, the road is much easier. I'm just trying to get out to the destination so I can eat my cheesy smiles. That's pretty much all I'm thinking about right now. Cheesy smiles on my tongue. When I get there, it'll be a lot of fun. I could make a song out of that. Since this video is going to be pretty boring, I'm going to have to bring it home with the comedy. So get prepared to hear some stupid things. A second ago, I thought I was getting attacked by a mountain lion, but it was just snow falling off the rocks. Either way though, I spun around real quick to assume a defensive karate stance that I learned back in like 3rd grade. Yeah, I was a yellow tip karate student, but that's beside the point. However, when I went to go spin around, my knee nearly disintegrated. Nearly. But did it? No. Everything was so beautiful until I got to this right here. What is that out there? Some floating vomit? You're like, dude, don't ruin my mood. I was enjoying the nature. And now you're talking about floating vomit. Well, if it makes you feel any better, it's probably frozen too. I feel like I've got this whole place to myself right now. I haven't seen one other person. Man, driving around on these streets this morning was kind of treacherous. Man, it was like 2 degrees or something, and everything was frozen. I was coming down that left-hand canyon at like 11. miles per hour. I didn't turn it up to 11. I was doing 11. You're like, oh, I thought you turned it up to 11. My car goes to 11. Well, why didn't you just make 10 the highest number? But my car goes to 11. I feel like it's getting warmer out here, or that I overdressed or something. I've got 5 layers on right now. Pretty much all my most expensive winter gear. Oh man. But yeah, I'm feeling a little puffed out right now. Kind of like Ralphie's brother on the Christmas Story. How he's like rolling around. I mean, I don't feel like that, but just seem to feel a little puffed out. Passing by the road split. I've gone up to the right before, and there's nothing up there except a no trespassing sign. But right down here on the road, we're passing by another bathroom. And every time I pass by one of those, I have this irrational thought in my mind that I'm somehow going to drop my GoPro camera down the toilet. I mean, I could write a song about it. GoPro camera floating in poo. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Do I take a swim in human fecal stew? You get the idea. I could write a whole song about it. This is a little brisk walking through here. Getting smashed in the face with this misty snow. Woo! And here comes some more of it. Oh yeah, that's tasty. Oh, that's tasty. You guys remember that stuff called Sea Breeze? It's like an astringent for your face. I just feel like I dunked my face into a bucket full of it. Yeah, that'll wake you up in the morning, boy. Wow, that wiped the camera out just then. I had to stop and clean the lens off. And then I looked down and my wireless microphone looks like somebody rolled it in powdered sugar. All right, and that's going to be the dam, and I need to get to the top of it. And check that out. Oh, this is cool. And this is going to be the Hummingbird Switchback Trail. Yeah, it looks like other people have been out here. And this isn't icy at all. It's dark out here. So far, I haven't got any sunshine. I'm zigzagging my way to the top. And the wind is getting much worse up here. Oh man. Oh. Dude, that was snow out of the tree. I'm just about up there. Man, it's like getting up that Hummingbird Switchback Trail isn't super duper hard, but it's like right when you've had enough of it, you're pretty much at the top. I hope I can find a spot that's out of the wind up here, because I would like to enjoy my cheesy smiles. It's just now 9:40. So that took me 1 hour to get out here to the Ralph Price Reservoir. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is for real right now. So much for finding a spot that's out of the wind. I'm getting killed up here. Even though I'm freezing, this is a real beautiful spot right here. I'm gonna take it around the reservoir here for a second and see if I can find a way to connect it back to that previous road that I showed you, and I can hopefully take it down that way. I think there's a connector over here. This is freaking savage up here right now. Extremely cold, very windy, and we got snow blowing around. Yeah, baby, let's go. Woo! Yeah! Well, I was hoping it would get better once I came over the hill, but it's not. And I just checked my GPS to make sure that this connects, and it does. And I think I can see the road out there in front of me. Yeah, nice. I should be dropping in on the bridge. Yep, there it is. All right, perfect. I know exactly where I'm at. Taking it over the bridge. And I was gonna sit down right in here somewhere and have my cheesy smiles because I thought maybe it was out of the wind, but that was a faulty assessment. I'm reconnecting with this road, and yeah, this is nice right here. I'm currently not getting smashed with the wind, but that could change within the next 2 seconds or so. And there's that wind again. Man, I wasn't expecting that today. I knew it was going to be cold, but I didn't think it was going to be this windy. I can see the main road down there, so I'm getting pretty close to dropping in on it. And the wind is just getting worse. Look at that up there. Looks like the mountain is alive. It's moving. Yeah, see, it wasn't doing this when I walked through here earlier. Now it looks like a blizzard is coming through. Look at this through here. And that's pretty insane right there. I'm gonna have to walk right through it. If you want the easiest way up to the Ralph Price Reservoir, I would take it up that road. That was not nearly as steep as going up that Hummingbird Switchback Trail. And there's a duck down there. He was quacking and I thought it was a dog. I was like, please don't be a dog over there. But yeah, I'm passing back by the floating vomit, so I'm looking good. You guys might think that I'm crazy for being out here, but this is actually a lot of fun. I'm loving it. I'm passing back by the Longmont Reservoir, which is at the top of the dam. So I'm getting close. Almost done with this thing. And almost like a sick joke, here, right at the bottom, is when the sun has finally come out. Oh well, sometimes it just works out that way. And I am back. Button Rock Preserve Trailhead. It's just now 10:30, so I've been out here hiking for an hour and 50 minutes. And I'm thinking that that's somewhere in the neighborhood of 4 miles. Well, I hope you enjoyed that hike. And until the next one, y'all, peace.